Hello friends, welcome to your own YouTube channel. Let's learn together. In this video series, we have started with the programming in Node.js, and this is part second of this video series. In part 1, I have discussed about the introduction of Node.js and why do we use the Node.js. Also, I have told how to install the Node.js. In part second, today I'm going to discuss REPL, REPL, which is acronym for Read, Evaluate, Print and Loop. It's a command type like window to test the JavaScript in an interactive way. I'll show you how do we use this REPL to test the JavaScript. So read means whatever we are typing, the REPL window or the command type window which I told will read it and evaluate. Once user has entered the values, it will evaluate the value and then print the result based on evaluation, and then again it will go in a loop, like it will read, evaluate and print. It's like interactive window. There are few commands which we should know while working with the REPL. Control C, if you want to terminate the window, we should use Control C. It will be good if I show you the demo simultaneously. So I'll open the command prompt. So how do we open the REPL? It's very simple. By just typing the node. So now my REPL has started. If I type any JavaScript code like 1 double is equal to 1, it should return me true. If I type 1 plus 2, it should return me 3. So 1 plus 3 are REPL. R in REPL means read. It will read as long as I press enter. It will evaluate and then print the result for to me. Then again loop will start and you can do anything else. Like I want to write one while loop. We can write that else also. Firstly, let me declare one variable I equal to 1. Then while loop, if I want to use I is less than 5. Suppose I want to print the number from 1 to 5, 1 to 4. In that case, I can simply say these three dot what these three dot indicate is that it is multi-line expression. So I want to print console.log. Simply I want to print I and then I plus plus. So once I press enter, I missed it. If you are here and you want to come out of this because I have misplaced it, so you can simply press Ctrl C, which is there in this window, to terminate the current command. So I have terminated this command and I'll again write I is less than 5 and then console.log I plus plus and then end of while loop. If you could see here, it is printing me the numbers, all the numbers 1 to 5, because our while loop is having condition I is less than 5. So REPL is interactive, very interactive. It is whatever I am inputting, it is evaluating, it is reading it, then evaluating it, and then giving me the result back. So right now See, how did I entered? I simply opened the command prompt, then typed node, and this REPL started. Then whatever I am reading, it is evaluating and then printing the result. So once the result is printed and you want to go out and you want the normal command prompt and you want to go out of uh, this REPL, so you can either press Ctrl C twice. Once you press Ctrl C, it will ask to exit, press C again. Means two times you have to press the Ctrl C, or dot exit you can type to get out of the node. So this is also mentioned there. Control C twice or Control D also you can type. So there are 3-4 ways: Control C, Control D, as well as dot exit command you can type. I'll show you. Let me go inside REPL 1 plus 2. Okay, so now I want to go out of this REPL. Simply by clicking on exit, I am into the normal command window and I am out of the REPL. So I want to explain other important commands also. Dot help. This command will show you all the commands available. Sorry, I am out of REPL. Let me go inside REPL, then type help. So it will show me the all the commands: dot break, dot clear, dot editor, dot exit, dot help, dot load, dot save. So break is if you want to, like in normal any of the languages, dot break will get you out of whatever execution is happening that time, whatever program you have written. Instead of break, you can also use dot clear. Dot editor is same as like it will open uh, your an editor like wherein you can type anything. I welcome to let's learn together, like a notepad. So by pressing Ctrl C, I am out of this particular command. And again, dot exit I shown you, and same this dot help also, it will print you all the commands over there available for us. Then dot load. So if you could see the .js, this load.js from a file into the REPL session. Firstly, for that, I'll save whatever the session is there. Dot save. I'll give it some name, REPL.txt. So this will save the all the session whatever I have done. It will save it into REPL.txt. So now if I want to load it, REPL.txt, I can type the name and then it will show me the text whatever was saved in that particular session. So I hope you got a fair understanding of what REPL is and how to use the different commands over there, all these commands. And I wish to see you in the next video of this series. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a happy learning.